Step 7, guess the story. So this is a fun part. If you are working in a group or in a class setting, this will be really easy. If not, you can still definitely do this. Just find a friend or family member or a classmate or a group mate and show them your stop motion animation without telling them what it's supposed to be. And then after they've watched it, ask them what they think the one sentence story was and see what they say. How close did they get? Did they understand what you were trying to tell or not? That's good feedback to have. So if I'm trying to tell a story about rain making the garden grow and everyone watching my story thinks it's about something completely different, then I might want to rethink how I'm telling that story because it's not getting across the message that I want. Or if I show people that story and they're like, wow, yeah, rain makes the garden grow, obvious, then that's great. That means that my stop motion story is doing what I want it to do. It's telling a science story for me with stop motion animation without me having to explain it. And so then the next step is to flip. You watch someone else's stop motion story and then try to guess what story they were trying to tell. Can you figure it out? If you can, awesome. If you can't, what was confusing? Why didn't you get the story that they were trying to tell? Were there characters that were doing something you weren't expecting? Were some of the shapes a little bit hard to understand what they were supposed to be? That's good feedback because that's the kind of information that we can take about our own stories and use it to make them better. One common theme here is that a lot of times the first time we make something, it's not going to be the best it could be. And that's fine. It's totally okay to make something, try it, see what people think, and then improve it.